are doing a decorate and organize the girls' bathrooms. So I'm going to be starting with Josie's first, and then we will do Cassidy's next. So I'm just going to show you guys what we're starting with, and then we'll get into it. Alright, so when you come in the bathroom, the shower and tub is on your left, right behind the door. And then behind the half wall, you have the toilet. And then we have a small corner window. And then you have the vanity area. All right, so right now we don't have much in here. I did go ahead and hang this curtain. And I just have it on, it's kind of hard to pull, just a tension rod. And it's a pretty sheer black curtain, so it's actually for a double window. But I just doubled it up and then doubled up the ruffle valance at the top, because if you notice, there's not a lot of room at the very top to put in a bracket for hanging a curtain. So this way, if I just use the tension rod, I don't have to worry about like putting any screw holes in the actual wall. So it's a very simple and affordable option. And since this is such a small window and this is such lightweight fabric, it's not a big deal to use a tension rod for this. So, and then in this closet, we don't know if the previous owners just never finished it or if something happened and they removed the shelving, because the flooring is actually, there's no flooring actually in this closet and there's no shelves. So until we get that finished, we just have this simple storage cart in here that has like her towels, hand towels, washcloths, and in the bottom she'll store like her hair dryer and stuff. And then we just have this basket on top for her to put like her dirty wet towels and things. So just a simple option for now until we get some storage shelves built in here, which is at the bottom of the list of things to do, because it's not a must have, because only one person is using this bathroom, so we don't need a lot of storage, but it'll be nice to have in the future. All right, so I'm just going to get started getting everything set up in here, and I'm going to start with the shower curtain because I just threw it in the tub for now.
All right, so I'm just going to grab my stool so that I can go ahead and put the shower curtain up first. And I picked this shower curtain up at Big Lots, and I believe it was just under, I think it was around $6 to $7. I really liked the print on this and thought it would go well with the rest of the bathroom. So once I'm finished with this, I'm just going to move on and work on cleaning the mirror and the countertop. And I just picked up this glass cleaner from Dollar Tree. They have two brands that are like a foaming glass cleaner. I like the other one better. I think it comes in like a blue bottle, but they were out of that one, so I picked this one up. It works just as good. It doesn't leave any streaks behind, but I do think the other one is better. So I'm just going to quickly clean down the countertop and the mirror. The bathroom is mostly cleaned because we cleaned it when we first moved in. And then once I get everything wiped down, we will move into getting all the drawers and cabinets organized. So I picked up these 3-compartment clear bins also from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use those to organize each side. I'm going to organize the makeup, and then on the other side I'm going to organize her hair accessories. then in the next cabinet, this is a bit of a deeper cabinet. I have these larger clear bins and plastic bins that I also picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use that to organize like her feminine products. And I really like these 3-compartment bins. I'm thinking of picking up more because they're really handy to keep other random objects in, like paper clips and maybe push pins, things like that. And here, bobby pins. So I'm gonna pick some more of these up to use in other areas of the house. Hopefully they still have them. You have to grab things quick at Dollar Tree, otherwise they're gone. And on this side, I'm just placing her soaps, lotions, deodorant, random cleaning type, body cleaning type items like that in that drawer. And then in this very bottom drawer, I'm keeping her package of loofah balls, puff balls, whatever you call those. And then I found this cute little glass jar at Dollar Tree also, and just filling it with these cleaning pads. We like the CVS brand the best because it doesn't seem to leave any lint behind when you're using them to like wipe off your makeup. So I'm just going to place that in the bottom drawer along with her tissue box. And then under her sink here, I am just going to organize her bathroom cleaning products. The girls are in charge of keeping their bathroom clean. So I just have some simple things like sanitizing wipes and mirror wipes. Just simple things for them to clean because I don't want them spraying spray all over the place. So for now, they'll just use the wipes, and I'll come in every other week or so to do a deeper clean. So now we're just going to decorate with some items we had around the house, but also we went thrifting this weekend, so the girls picked out items to decorate their bathrooms with. So my daughter really liked this candle, so she picked that up, and we already had this greenery, so I'm just going to use that to drape around the candle. And then I picked up this fluffy rug at Burlington. It was kind of difficult to find a black bathroom rug for some reason. And then we picked up 2 of these pictures, and from a thrift store. My daughter really liked the way they looked, so I'm going to put one here horizontal, and the other one I'm going to install above the toilet vertically. And I found this black basket also at Dollar Tree, and we have like this little succulent plant that I'm going to sit in there with just an extra roll of toilet paper. And then also at Dollar Tree, we saw these mirrors. They had several different designs and several different colors. I believe they had gold, silver, and even one a little more rustic looking. And so we just picked up 3 of the black ones, and I already have nails and hangers placed in the wall, so I'm just trying to hang these up on those. Then the last thing to do is to hang up her towel. So we picked up these towels from Target. My girls like the Target brand. I believe these are the ones that cost around $4 or $5, but they like these because they're large and fluffy, yet they don't leave any lint behind like some of my more expensive towels do. So that is basically it for this bathroom. I'm going to try to swing you guys around slowly. Hopefully you don't get too dizzy, so you can see everything. And then we're going to head over to my other daughter's bathroom, Cassidy, and get started on hers.
Okay, you guys, so now we're in Cassidy's bathroom. All right, so it's a little bit smaller of a space. So let me show you what we're working with. So I already have the shower curtain installed in here. So it's just gray and blue with like kind of like a flower design. Have this really cool solar tube that lets light in during the day. And so we're trying to work with what we have. So like, we don't really like this blue sink and the baby blue walls, but someday in the future we'll update and paint the walls and put in like a new counter and sink. But for now, we're just going to work with this. So I'm first going to get started cleaning, and then we'll put everything together.
So just like we did over in Josie's bathroom, I am using the same clear bins and system that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just basically doing the same thing, putting her makeup on one side and her hair accessories on the other, and then also her feminine products on one side, and because she does wear contacts and glasses on the other side, I'll be putting a lot of her contacts and her solution and anything related to the glasses. Alright, so now we're going to get started decorating her space, and I also found this rug also at Burlington. They were really affordable. I believe they were around $8. And also I picked up another jar at Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be filling it up with those cotton pads. I had some left over from Dollar Tree, which I would advise against because those are very linty when you try to use them. So definitely would not recommend the cotton pads from Dollar Tree, but the ones from CVS are great. And then I am just hanging her hand towel here, and then this little wooden shelf we picked up at Five Below. So I'm just going to hang it over here on the side, and it's basically just going to hold decorative items. So I have some more of this greenery that I'm going to attempt to string through here. And then I'm just going to place a candle and some seashells and a little succulent plant. And then to make the shelf look useful, we're just going to throw some small hand towels up there. Another little succulent plant that I'm going to just keep over in the corner here. Now these two pictures, we found these also at a thrift store. And these were roughly $3 a piece. And then we found this other picture at a thrift store, and it was around $5. So pretty affordable. And it takes me a little while to get it straight. So my daughter also found this basket at a thrift store, and she really liked it. And this basket was only $1.50, and it's a really nice basket. And I'm just going to place one of her succulents in the basket, and then just some greenery over in the corner. And that is basically it, you guys. So I'm just going to spin you guys around the best I can. That towel was also from Target. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple budget bathroom makeover, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!